Hello and welcome back. So as you can see, I'm still trying to get this charger out of the box. We're kind of wedged in. Somehow this guy is stuck in here. And it somehow fit this cable through that gap. So it's something about this thick, right? It has to go through there. That's not happening. The other side's hard up against the edge, so there's no wiggle room there. These boxes aren't exactly square. They're rectangular, and so you know how I don't know, in the last video we were rotated 90 degrees. That 90-degree rotation is what's killing me. So I think this is the cable. It goes back through here, and it comes over to this. So I've got it out far enough that I'm going to take these two screws out, and that'll allow me to pull the cable out from inside and get up around here, and then I think I'll have enough clearance to pull the whole thing out. But I also stand corrected. There are nuts and bolts. They're slowly coming out of the charger because they are inside the box. The whole bottom is full of all the nuts and bolts. So I don't know if I can probably not lift this up, but maybe you can hear it. Let me just rotate this. Hear them all sliding around. They're inside the box. So we do have nuts and bolts. So I'll make the repair a little bit easier. But yeah, right now I still haven't seen the plastic connector, the black plastic for that. So keep an eye out for that. Hopefully, maybe that's in the box too. Yeah, but that's my plan. So if you run into this trouble, get it at least far enough out that you take these two guys. I mean, normally you wouldn't have this problem because it'd be in the right direction. But yeah, anyways, we're rotated 90 degrees, and the box is longer one way than it is the other. Anyways, here's a quick update. Thanks for watching. Bye.